Well, there's nothing quite like reorganizing to just soothe your soul. Just put your mind in the right place for growing and for just getting it done. This is the reorganized space, and you can see how small my area is. Oh, I'm super pumped about this. This is the 63 I always have trouble with that name, I'm telling you. Vibroverb amp reissue. It's a very special amp. So in the lineage of the Vibroverb amps, and the Vibroluxes, rather, this is, wow. This is the predecessor to the reissue custom Vibrolux, and also the 68 version of that amp. They all have the same circuit board with some revisions, some very, very small circuit revisions. This one is probably Fender's best reissue of all time. It's not even hyperbole. The best reverb I've ever heard on any reissue, and to be honest with you, reverb that really made my old former 66 Super Reverb sweat. This thing's amazing. But yeah, we are reorganized. There's a lot more space here. There's actually a bed behind me. You guys don't even know about that, but that's okay. But here's the space. I'm just missing a little tone rug down there. That's it. So I have, wow, I've cleared out, let's see, 4 amps this morning. I'm waiting on some parts for this magnetone to arrive so I can get this guy back to his rightful owner, and that's not me. I'm still fighting with this Ampeg bass amp. I have a Mesa Boogie Carbine bass amp coming in. I have that Music Man with a 15-inch driver. And then we're just gonna, this is where we're just doing it. All this little area. It's very small in here, but you guys starting out, you don't need a lot. You basically just need a desk or a table. You need a multimeter and a nice little soldering kit. That's it. You don't need an oscilloscope. You don't need any signal tracers. You don't need a capacitor tester. You just need to get scrappy with a little bit of gear. All this stuff is extravagance here. Does it make my life easier? Sure. Is some of it for the channel and nostalgia's sake? Absolutely. But it's not really what you need to get going and to be hugely successful as an amp tech. So that's it. I hope this finds you well. And I will talk to you soon. Oh yeah, I gotta organize down here too. It's just a nightmare down here. I need more space or shelves. I need shelves is what I need. But that's it. Bye.